here I am. Here is Swami speaking to you. Today I'm here by the most important chicken in the whole wide world, and I will talk to him very wisely. And here is the big Gockelhahn, as you can see, and the most important chicken. And now every chicken is coming here to us. Well, dear chicken, come beep, beep, beep. Today I'm here and I bring you peace. I will promise you that you will never be eaten if you give all your eggs to me. And you will become very happy to stay as a devotee in your life for me. But be really patient and listen a lot to your Gockeljohanns. Okay, my dear friend? You should be very happy all the time. Because I give you now 10 million blessings. 10 millions. Okay? Yes, and I'm your friend. Always. And forever. And I will free you from these guitars too. Now you are holy chicken. Not only funky chicken, now you are holy chicken. And now I go on to bring peace on earth to all other beings, human beings, and even your chicken, and make very beautiful eggs. Thank you.